All right, so my name is Spencer Strauss. As Ben said, I've been with DCS for just over a year now. I also did dimensional variation analysis with Caterpillar for just over 5 years, so I'm experienced in the field, and I'm the one who has the privilege of explaining the XPlane move today.
Yay.
So what is the XPlane move? Anyone who has been trained in the last 4 to 6 months has probably had me teach you how to put this yellow headlamp onto a blue bracket. That's a 3-2-1 move, and it's very simple. We have 3 posts representing our primary plane. Then we have a 4-way hole and a 2-way slot, and a clearance hole for that last pin. Doing this move is very simple using the XPlane move. But what if we have more than just those 6 locators? So in previous versions of 3DCS, it was hard to model over constrained parts. It's parts with extra locators, anything more than just those 6 locators we talked about for that headlamp. New in 7500, we have a move called the XPlane move. X is insert any number here, and then it's plane move, just like the XPlane move. And it lets users add all the locators and automatically and easily best fits the part to those locators. What does the XPlane move do? It best fits a part using as many object and target pairs as desired. Whereas the XPlane move are limited to 6 object target pairs and 6 directions. With this, you have unlimited object target pairs and then as many directions as you have pairs. And the XPlane move is best fitting all those object target pairs in their respective directions, and you're setting that direction. So over here we have a fender model that is located to a fixture using a XPlane move.